So welcome back, guys, and in today's video we're gonna do I'm going to teach you how to add a PNG sequence or how to add a stop motion pictures onto HitFilm Express and automatically make it into a video. So let's get into it. So we're here in HitFilm Express 14. Soon there would be HitFilm Express 15, but for the meantime I'm still going to teach HitFilm Express 14 until I could download it. So here in the media tab, we're going to need to go to import and press the arrow and go to media sequence. In here, oh yeah, and before doing that, media is like adding a picture or a video, which is usually what we're importing. The image sequence is what you'll need for stop motions, or if you're familiar with Picture a Day, you could also use that, but provided you're gonna need to add it only for one folder. So you're just going to compile that into one folder and just arrange that by the file name, and there you go. So composite shots, for example, I'm going to give you a composite shot template. You could download that, or you could also download from FX Homes or Film Sensei or whatever, whoever made it. 3D camera tracking data for like Mocha, 3D model from other 3D softwares, and 3D model animation for the 3D models animation. But for now we're just going to stick with image sequence, and just find your stop motion. So mine is a guitar PNG sequence, which I made because just for the purpose of this video, this was actually exported as a PNG sequence. So let's import that and add that to our timeline. As you can see, it's now a video. So I'll show you what it would look like if I haven't imported it yet. So we're here, I already found it. So go to guitar, and there you go. It's all pictures. It's all pictures. So if I press play, if I open it, it would be open through photos. Let's just wait a bit. Okay, so as you can see, it's just a photo. So I'm clicking the right arrow, so there you go. So that's how to make it into a video. You could use this technique to make into Picture a Day or doing a stop motion. Just make sure it's in one folder and just export it. And you could export it into however you like. For example, you would want it to be a video file, a PNG sequence again, or something else that you would like. So that's it for this. It's just a quick tutorial on how to do it, but I hope it could help. Please do like this video if it helped you. Comment down below what you think, and I would see you in the next video. Bye.